Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change Roblox account age. So in order to make changes with your account age on your Roblox account, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar, type in www.roblox.com. So this is going to take you to the official web page of Roblox, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, click on the gear icon located in the upper right hand side corner and then click on the settings button. So as soon as you click on the settings button, you'll be taken to the account info or my settings page. Over here, if you scroll down a bit and if you have not verified the age, then there are slight chances that you might be able to make changes with your account age. As you can see that in my case, I've not verified my age. So what you need to do is, in order to make changes, just go ahead and make changes with your date of birth. While you're making the changes, you need to confirm your password for the verification purpose and click on verify, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll be able to make changes once again. Now if you want to verify age, click on verify my age, and this is going to take you to the page where it will ask you to confirm your verification by providing your ID. First of all, you'll be asked to provide a valid ID, and then such as your driving license, passport ID, or any of these following information. And you can also use a smartphone in order to scan it. So basically, Roblox does not allow you to make changes with your date of birth or your age, as it is concerned regarding your privacy and security. If you have an ID that shows you're above 18 years, that shows the accurate age, then you might be able to make changes with the age. However, apart from that, you won't be able to make changes. So that is how you can make changes with the age on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.